Everyone's making money on Airbnb these days, aren't they? If you've watched my last Ask Shaf, you'll know I pointed out the pros and cons of becoming a host and letting out a room on the accommodation website. But what if you don't own any property? There's no chance of making money through Airbnb, is there? Actually, that's not strictly true, and this week's Ask Shaf is going to look at ways money can be made through Airbnb even if you don't have a room to let. If you're organised, like dealing with people, and have lots of time in your hands, think about managing Airbnb rentals. Lots of hosts don't have the time to book, check in and check out guests, top up amenities, deal with queries and questions, and ensure the property is in tip-top condition for the next guest. That's where you come in, pretty much managing all aspects of the property. You'd receive between 10 and 20% of the booking costs, which means that if you were looking after several properties, you could have a nice little earner. What do Airbnb hosts dislike most about the process? Without doubt, it's the cleaning up after one guest has left and before the next one arrives. If they are supplementing their main income, they perhaps just don't have the time to get the Marigolds on and start scrubbing, hoovering and changing bed sheets. That's where you come in. Again, you would need to have several properties that you cleaned, but it could certainly be a lucrative business. Airbnb isn't just for rooms, it offers experiences too. You wouldn't need a huge amount of cash to set up something visitors might be interested in. Are you knowledgeable about your local area? What about a guided walking tour with you as the guide? Do you know where all the best pubs are? How about a pub crawl? Is sport your thing? What about taking visitors around the best stadiums? There are lots of options, you just need to get your thinking cap on and figure out what you would be good at and what people would be interested in. Do you already rent a property with a spare room? Have a chat with your landlord and see if they would agree to you subletting the room on Airbnb. If it's already furnished, you wouldn't have to fork out for furniture and there wouldn't be much in the way of startup costs. Remember to get permission though, I can't stress how important that is. Speak to the local authority and your insurance company too to avoid any problems down the line. So you see, you don't need to have a property portfolio to make money from Airbnb. The potential to make money is there, you just need to go out and grab it. But before you do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for my YouTube channel. It won't cost you a penny, but it's full of more money making and money saving tips. From budding entrepreneurs to those running commercial property, my vlogs have something for everyone, so hit that button.